Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can join the Temu affiliate program and what the affiliate program even is. So let's get right into it. For this tutorial, I will be using this online article by Creator Investor since I cannot access Temu from my device and it is not available for me. So first and foremost, what the affiliate program is, it is a performance-based marketing initiative that allows participants to earn money as a commission for pretty much attracting people to the site and generating sales. By partnering with Temu as a paid affiliate, affiliates gain access to a wide range of high quality products or services that they can promote, and so on and so forth. It is basically open to pretty much everyone who wants to do affiliate marketing and who is interested in earning money. It is, as I said, open to various individuals, and whether you're an influencer or a blogger or someone who is passionate about recommending products, it is open to you for free pretty much, and you can freely access it however you would like. Now, to begin an affiliate, what you need to do is sign up to the program, and the way you do that is by simply going to the site and locating the sign up link for the affiliate program, which is very easy to find. And then you need to complete the registration process, which involves providing basic personal information, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and setting up a PayPal account for those for getting paid out by the affiliate program. And once you've completed these steps, you need to wait for a approval for your application. And once it's approved, you gain access to a personal dashboard and you can start marketing. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.